Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. Now you have understand what is digital marketing, and before getting into the practicals, I'll let you know what exactly that I'm going to teach you in this digital marketing program. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with no coding at all, and it's going to be very simple and anyone can do it. If you're a student or a business owner, or if you want to start a freelancing directly from home, you are going to be very perfect in the website designing because I'm going to make it very simple. And we are going to actually build a website for Click and Capture Studio, a real-time business. You know, right? They do wedding, model and product photography, and I'll show you every step from buying a domain for them and getting hosting to design a beautiful functional site. And for this, we do not require any technical skills at all, just drag and drop. By the end, you will know how to build a real website like Click and Capture Studio. Next thing I will teach you is SEO, search engine optimization. So what exactly is SEO? SEO helps the website to rank higher on Google. So if someone searches wedding photographer near me, SEO can help Click and Capture Studio show up right on the first page. And then I will also teach you Google Ads and social media marketing. You know, these are the great for businesses like Click and Capture Studio to reach more customers. Google Ads help them pop up in searches, and with social media marketing on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, we will learn how we can attract customers who are ready to book the services from the Click and Capture Studio. And I will also teach you analytics, email marketing, blogging, YouTube and affiliate marketing, so that this digital marketing course is going to be one for everybody who wants to learn from the very scratch to the most advanced level. And finally, I'm very much excited to get started with you. So together from now on, we are going to build Click and Capture Studio, a real-time business from the scratch, and you will learn all the skills to create websites, how to do online marketing for them, and even how to work with clients. Now if you are ready to jump in, let's go, and I see you inside the course. If you like my content, keep supporting. Thank you.